This video walks you through how to clear tax information on TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to edit. Once the return loads, go to the part of the return that contains the information you want to remove. Depending on what you entered before, this could be under Income, Deductions, and Credits, or Personal Info. From there, open the specific topic, form, or entry that holds the information you want cleared. When you find the item, select Edit, Review, or Revisit next to it. TurboTax uses slightly different labels in different sections, but the goal is the same. You are reopening that entry so you can remove what was previously added. Inside the form or topic, delete the information from each field that applies. In some areas, you may also see a delete option, a remove button, or a trash can icon. If one of those appears, use it to remove the entire entry instead of clearing each field one by one. After that, TurboTax may ask you to confirm the removal. If a confirmation prompt appears, approve it so the entry is actually deleted from the return. Continue through the return and repeat the same process for any other tax forms or details you want to clear. This matters if the information appears in more than one place or if you entered several related items separately. Make sure you open the correct entry each time before deleting anything. If the information came into TurboTax through an imported document, go back to the Related Income section and locate that imported form. Select the form, then choose Delete or Remove. Imported entries can remain attached to the return unless they are removed from the source section, so it is worth checking that specific area rather than only clearing fields elsewhere. After you remove the entries you no longer want, review your return. Look over the relevant sections and confirm that the information is gone. Also check that your refund amount or balance due has updated to reflect the changes. If a number still looks unchanged, reopen the related section and make sure the original entry was fully removed. If you want to erase everything in the current return and begin again before filing, open Tax Tools from the left menu and choose Clear and Start Over if that option is available. TurboTax will ask you to confirm this choice. Once confirmed, all tax data entered in the current return is removed, and that action cannot be undone. Keep in mind that Clear and Start Over is only available in TurboTax Online before you have paid, registered, or filed the return. If you do not see that option, you may need to delete entries manually or start a new tax return instead. Your selected tax information has now been cleared from your TurboTax return.